In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Tubebuddy to your YouTube channel, so stick around. Hey, what's going on? My name is Tamil and welcome to my channel. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Tubebuddy to your YouTube channel. Now, Tubebuddy is an awesome Chrome extension that can basically be integrated into your YouTube channel. And one of the great things about Tubebuddy is it really does help you understand your audience better. It's going to help you optimize your content a lot better. And also, it has this awesome feature for keyword research that allows you to grow the views on your channel. So if you're looking to get more eyeballs on your YouTube videos, then I definitely suggest that you go ahead and add this extension to your YouTube channel. So let's get started. All right, so if you are already on Tubebuddy, then you should see this page right here. And where I'm at right now is I'm using the incognito mode because I actually have Tubebuddy already installed on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to use this incognito mode so I can walk you through the steps. So what you want to do first, guys, is you want to go ahead and hit install free now. Once you hit install free now, then you should arrive on this page right here. So like I told you, I already have Tubebuddy installed as a free Chrome extension. So the reason why you see remove from Chrome is because I already have it installed here. So obviously if you do not have this installed, it's going to say add Chrome. And so what I want you to do is go ahead and hit that button so that you can add the free Chrome extension. Go ahead, do that now. Now, once you add that free Chrome extension, this is how your page should look now. It should say that you have successfully installed Tubebuddy extension. This is what you would see right here. So now I'm in the regular view. I'm not in incognito mode because like I said before, I actually already have this Chrome extension already installed. So the next thing that you want to do is you actually want to sign into Tubebuddy. You go up here in the right hand corner, you can sign in. Now, in order for you to do this, you have to have a Google account. So if you have a YouTube channel, then this should be no problem to do. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to hit sign in, and you need to go ahead and sign in to your Google account. You're going to show up here, you're going to click whatever that account is, go ahead and log in and sign in so that we can see exactly how this is going to work. Now that you are signed into Tubebuddy, this is what you should see. You should see a page like this. Now, of course, for me, because I already have Tubebuddy, connected to my YouTube channel, this is why you see this right here. But obviously, you're not going to have that there. This is going to be a blank space, and what you'll see right here to the right is add channel. You need to connect your Tubebuddy account to your YouTube channel. So go ahead and click add channel. Once you add channel, then this is where you would actually find your channel name, go ahead, sign in, and it's going to automatically connect. So let's talk about, your channel for a second. Now, if you've already done that, then this is what you should now see. You should see your channel pop up here. Now, I am a star. And the star basically is just different levels that Tubebuddy offers. So it offers different packages, and mine is the star package. And you have a basic free account, and then you can pay for different subscriptions. And so this one right here is, of course, a paid subscription. So if you choose to go that route, then you'll pay a monthly fee. So what you'll have now is your Tubebuddy connected to your YouTube channel. So everything is downloaded. Your Chrome extension is already set in place. So now let's go check out to see exactly where this Tubebuddy, Chrome extension is actually located. So let's go find that. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my account, which is already logged in. And so if you look up right here in the right hand corner or closer to it, you're going to see this little logo right here. And that's going to let you know that that Tubebuddy is already connected to that particular channel. So when you click on it, you're going to find all of this great information right here for your Tubebuddy. So what you have is a dashboard. You've got different video live streams. here is what I'm talking about right here, which is this keyword explorer. So guys, if you're looking to get more eyeballs on your YouTube videos, then you want to learn how to do SEO correctly. And so what you're going to do is you're going to start doing keyword research so you can find out what basically fits your channel, you know, what type of titles that you can use for your YouTube channel that will get more people searching for your content. And when you do that, guys, you're going to find that your views are going to go up a lot more. So, and if you want to get more information about how you can do that, how you can get more eyeballs on your YouTube channel, then make sure you check out a video that I have already titled, you know, to get more eyeballs on your YouTube video. It is another video that I have. Go and check that out. I go ahead and I go through examples of how you can use this keyword research tool. So make sure that you check that out. Now also, you have all of these great other things that you can use as well. But guys, this Tubebuddy is an awesome tool to use. You've already installed it onto your YouTube channel. It's a no-brainer. It's easy to use. Go ahead and play around with it because you can do a lot of awesome things with growing your channel, understanding your audience a lot better. And I'm going to be putting out some future videos on how you can work this keyword explorer, because guys, this is how I have been growing my channel. I've been growing my channel, getting a lot of views, and I think right now I'm close to about, well, I've got 440 subscribers. So that's where I am right now, and it's growing even more. So guys, if you want to get more information about, you know, doing that, then make sure that you check out more of my videos. All right, guys, so I hope you got value out of this video. If you like what you heard, then go ahead and hit that like button, because I'm always putting out content just like this on my channel. So if you want to get more information about how you can grow your YouTube channel and how you can build your business through your YouTube channel, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because I'm always putting out a ton of great content just like this. And also, don't forget to hit that bell notification, because otherwise you're going to miss out on some awesome tips that I'm putting out constantly on this channel. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching this video. Make sure that you come back, and I will see you on the next video.